So I just got this game in for my Commodore 64, and let's go ahead and open it up, load it, and check it out. Looks like a pretty good wrapping job here. It is Chernobyl. Alright, it's Chernobyl by Paul Norman. If you look him up, he made a ton of games for the Commodore 64 and others. Also, he was against the name Chernobyl. It was a nuclear power plant simulator he made. But from what I've heard, Cosme or somebody wanted to use that name, but he wasn't in favor of that. So here's the back of the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's new in shrink wrap, which I hate opening these, but I need the manual from here. So I'm going to post this manual on my Commodore 64 blog. It's all about Commodore 64 copy protection and copy programs. I'll post a link here and in the description. So here we go. 30-year-old game, open for the first time. And let's see what it looks like here. We got a story here. When you first open it, the Chernobyl story, and then we have a manual with a disc inside. So how many pages is this manual? Some advertisement in the back. I need to scan this manual in, so that was my plan, 10 pages. I'll scan this in, and this will be on my Commodore 64 blog also, if you need a copy of this. The disc doesn't have copy protection, but it has a manual lookup protection. So first thing you do, the disc, stick it in the disk drive here. I'm going to list the directory. Make sure the directory is working. With Jiffy DOS, I have Jiffy DOS in my computer. It's just a simple F1. Or if you have the fast load cartridge, you can use the $sign. If you don't, this is how you list the directory. Type load. That. And then you're going to type list to see what to load. Alright, now let's load the game. Jiffy DOS, it's just those two keys. You need to type in a time. And the code. Actually, here's the code you need. Really? Is that the copy protection? Alright, well, let's type that in. Here's the core. I also made command sheets. I printed them out from the game on computer, so they're on my blog too if you want to be able to print out the commands. That's really helpful in this game. That was core. Alright, I really don't know what I'm doing in that game. If anybody knows, let me post in the comments. If anybody wants to collaborate on some Commodore 64 videos, let me know. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe.